Goodness me. I'm at the flat today, giving it a bit of a clean and tidy. I feel cream crackered. I think with the weather being not so nice, it kind of makes you not want to do anything. But yeah, I'm here. I've just done a quick video. So I've got to tidy that up. Basically, got to put the flat back to not be a state. Pretty much. Yeah, just gonna finish off my coffee first. Ems is teaching at the minute, and then I'm hoping, I don't know if the time will work, I can get home, sit on the bike for half hour and then be done by the time she finishes. But really and truly I need to wipe around the whole flat and stuff, as we've got a viewing next week. So eventually, finally, someone actually wants to come and see it, and not just look online at it. But yeah, so I've got a bit of tidying up to do, put it back to looking a little bit more presentable. Yeah, pretty much it. Long list of things to be doing today. Long old list, but yeah, the lighting's not too bad here. It's only my little portable LED light, which I did do a quick video on actually, so I don't know where that is. That'll be somewhere on my channel at some point. Or not some point, I know it's on there. It'll be on the channel somewhere, but it's a really cool light. See, there's a tiny bit of, I'll film it, I'll see if I can film it. Let me have a look. Video. The video on my camera, my phone is just terrible, but like, there's literally that, my mic there, but that's the only light really, and that little slither of daylight that's lighting this bit here. So yeah, and that's only on 70%, I think. So it's not even at its fullest brightness. But yeah, I really love that. I'm tempted to get another one. I don't know where I put it. Because when I film sitting videos, I like to have a little colour accent in the background, like that or something, or you know, like that. What I'm using is my bike, my rear bike light. It works quite well, but it's obviously not ideal because it's not meant for this. So the battery life on it isn't that great, and you can only sort of sit it in a few sort of ways, and you can't really control the throw of the light at all. But yeah, it's just me moaning and having a little chat. So I'm going to go and start cleaning and tidying and all that jazz. So yeah. Namaste. We used to say it before every meal. It's so funny.
Oh, you're tidying up. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. I'm gonna get sick. He's a good girl.
Hiya, man. Kick. Kick, kick, kick. She literally just loves being outside.
Yeah. Whose sock is that? Yay, clever girl! Wow, you're so clever!
Say MM. Say MM, look at me.
Hello,
Look at me.
it's all going up. You're just chilling.
I just took a picture as well.
Good, I'll put as many profile pictures.
Oh, hello. Yes, come on. Are you gonna say what happened to you today?
I'm a little baby Eskimo. Eskimo, mo, Eskimo. I'm a little baby Eskimo. And whoosh! I'm free.
Very good. Okay, story time with
Welcome to the 621 news. Today, a young princess named Emily Charlotte was abandoned on the motorway in the pouring rain because she ran out of petrol like an idiot. And I got saved by a retired fireman. It's all in a day's work for him. He swooshes in to save the day. Yes, that sums up my fun afternoon. Post work. Thank you for coming to my news story. Good night.
Yeah, you donut. Your blooming car went empty, didn't it? Silly Billy sat on the side of the M3 in the rain.
Fun games for Monday. I knew it needed petrol. I'm not that dumb. It came on my way home from work on Saturday. I didn't have my purse with me, so I thought I'd do it Monday. Then this morning, the morning was just not good. It was not a good routine in the household this morning.
What do you mean? I was making sure everyone's getting in the bathroom,
You were, but
getting out of the bathroom.
But it didn't end up in a good routine. So then I was a bit late, running late, and then I left. I obviously didn't have time to get petrol, so I thought, no stress, I'll get it on my way home from work. I'm coming home from work, I stopped in at the flat, and then the petrol station was by the flat. So I went to get my purse to get it, and I didn't have a purse. I forgot my purse. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to go the motorway way because that'll get me back quicker. And I was so close to making it off the motorway, which would have made everything so much easier because Chris had to go all the way up the junction and all the way back. But these things happen for the first time in my life.
Did you think you could have used... Oh, you wanted to pay cash, didn't you?
No, card.
You could have used your phone, Apple Pay. And you could have gone on petrol, paid for Apple Pay.
And none of this would have happened.
Yeah. That's why I'm the brains and you're the beauty.
No, I'm the brains. You're the beauty.
Oh.
This is what Macy would do. And then she'd go...
Jesus.
That is what she would do.
You made me jump big
I
time.
missed her today, so...
Yeah.
So from war. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare a fun war. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're a dick, don't be late.
How? This is really hard to film.
Because you're gonna have
Your nails are really aggressive. Right, let's call it a draw. Whoa.
Oh look, the mayonnaise in the bedroom.
Ems is home, it's taking so long to come in. I'm giving up now. I waited and waited. I'm cooking dinner. The dinner. Giving up waiting for her now. That's it. She's never coming in. We got the pasta. We got the fake bacon. We got the sweet corn. Actually put some effort in today. Got myself set up normally with my editing normally again. Haven't set up like this in a long time. It's a bit bad of me really. 10 minutes I've been waiting.
Oh, sorry, I was chatting.
10 minutes for a cuddle. You're home! I want to see a happy dance. Love it. Right. A little bit naughty because Biscoff is a little bit sugary and basically like a delicious melted spreadable, I don't know what, but popping on a nice rice cake like we have here, or a couple of them, just sort of counteracts that. There we go. There you go, that is the evidence that Em is not the only one who is a Biscoff eating monster. I like it as well. Quite a bit of stress going on today, just with life admin, bits and bobs, but it's just part of life really, so not really filmed because I've just trying to sort stuff out really with Em, but yeah. Just going to have my Biscoff on my rice cakes. I think we're going to chill and go to bed pretty much, but yeah, that's it really. I downloaded a couple new software on my laptop, a couple new bits of software on my laptop, which I'm so excited to work out a bit of time to get into, so yeah, more of that to come. Right, lead me to my Biscoff. Just finishing up at work. Having my BCA drink. It's got a bit of caffeine in it as well. Mainly because I'm going to jump on the bike. I was going to have the day off today, but found out I'm on site tomorrow, which means I need to get up early anyway, so I don't have time to work out in the morning. So I think I'm going to switch that to this evening. Jump on the bike. And yeah, and then that means tomorrow I'll have the day off working out, and then that means Saturday, Sunday I can do a double session in there as well. So yeah, I feel knackered, absolutely knackered, but hopefully jumping on will actually give me a little bit more energy, sort of revitalise myself. But yeah, Em's just feeling pretty wiped out as well. It's just where it is at the minute. So yeah, got a little bit more to finish up. And then I was going to do some of my own work, but I'm not sure I really have time, which is a shame, because I'm getting into using the Affinity suite of software, which is like the Adobe equivalent basically, but cheaper, not, you don't have to sell a limb to be able to use it, which is good. So I picked up 2 of the bits of software for under £50, which is crazy cheap when it comes to designing software and stuff. So yeah, I've been using their photo one for ages. But yeah, they had a little sale on, and I thought I'm going to use it. Need to use it coming up. So yeah, I thought why not? Why not give it a go? Yeah. Cheers. I'll finish my drink and then get out on the bike. Okay. Right, that should be recording. And just like that, we're on the bike. Don't know if you can hear me. It's so loud, this bike, but yeah, finally got something bodged together. I've got my screen giving me a preview of what's going on, which is funny, it's delayed. Yeah, welcome to the corner of the garage that I work out in. So, nice pink mat. Yeah, I'm going to try different audio, see whether that improves it at all, but yeah. Right, let's try this now. Just recorded a bit, but I think I had the wrong connector in. So let's try it with this one. Different mic, little lav mic, see whether it picks up too much with the rustling, and then or too much of the bike. And just compare it really. Doubling up my training with a little bit of camera equipment testing. So I'll have a little listen and see whether it's worked. Right. Take out this one. Oh, it is so warm in here still. So I'm just going to crack on with the session. I'm just going into the start of my main set after a warm up. So yeah, should be fun, should be good. I think it's probably dirty for today. I'm so behind on editing and stuff that I don't know when this vlog's ending. I'm not sure. I haven't really filmed a massive amount this week. But yeah, tempted to do a week of just vlogging on the bike. So not sure about that. I'd have to vlog when I'm out and take the bike out and hope some good weather. But yeah, this might be the end of the video. Might not be. I'll be just as surprised as anyone else. Right, lovely, lovely, lovely. So, as you can tell, back at Biscoff Village again for another site visit, which was good. Good to see the progress on the project. It's good to be working on a UK project rather than international, so I actually get to see them on site and stuff. So, yeah, it's good. Good to be back up here. I think I'm back up next week as well, so that's always fun. It's just the journey that's a bit long, but someone else had a 2-hour journey to get here, so I can't really complain. But yeah, gonna head off home. Got some bits to get done for this afternoon, which is fine. And then yeah, then it's the weekend, so it's quite nice to have a little Friday day trip at the minute. Just gonna let them know that I'm heading home and then head off. So yeah, that's it really.